Hi you guys, welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Echo Park warehouse box. I have never purchased a warehouse box through Echo Park. I have seen some amazing boxes in the past and kind of had a little bit of FOMO on them. I'm not really going to be doing necessarily a review on the Echo Park monthly kit thing, but I will be getting it for the next 3 months, and I will be talking about value in slightly different terms than how I discuss the value of my yarn subscription boxes. But because I'm a member of the EP Club when this came out, Echo Park Club, I was able to get a discount on the warehouse box, and I got an email saying that the warehouse box had been put up on their website. So I did decide to go ahead and get it. I just kind of wanted something fresh, something different. As I am with yarn, I do tend to purchase very specific things, very similarly themed things. So pushing myself, especially was trying to do some more card donations this year and having some other things that I really wanted to do paper crafting wise. I thought this would be a good way to introduce the challenge. So it's a $50 box with my club membership. I think it was like 40 something. And I will at the end tally. I don't know how to do this properly. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tally up my retail value based on the estimated retail price, which is what I do with a lot of these things. Anyway, and then I will also tell you what, in general, should I have purchased this from the places I normally order from? What would I have actually paid had I bought this stuff on my own? I did kind of glance through here real fast. Nothing in here is something I wouldn't have bought, but, well, one item really I wouldn't have probably bought on my own, but I'm actually really glad I have it because I do have a need for it. Anyway, first off, we got 2 rolls of washi tape. One is from the Home Again collection and one is from Cozy Christmas, Sleighs and Wood Grain. I am actually out of wood grain washi tape, so once again, not a problem at all for me. I use a lot of washi tape in card making. These I may or may not have purchased, just because I do primarily make cards and sometimes scrapbook. But the ones I got, I'm really glad are the ones I got. So these are little embellishments, paper fan embellishments. I got the Rockabye Baby ones and the Summer Dream ones. The Summer Dream ones coordinate to a collection I already have in my stash. Actually, 2 collections, because I have one of the Cartabella summertime collections, and this coordinates perfectly to both the old Echo Park one I have and the Cartabella one I have. And this one, okay, so I saw other people unboxing this, and I know a lot of people don't put these on cards because they're really bulky and stuff, but I could easily pop off this on these 3 and use the fans for ornaments, because that's actually what I was thinking about, is using them for ornaments and making a bunting out of them, and just saving the little chipboard pieces for another project. These could easily go on cards if I'm sending them in a package this summer instead of sending them in the mail. I got a Snowflake embossing folder, and this one is from My Favorite Christmas. Perfectly chill with that. I got 2 6x6 pads. These seem to be pretty universal for what a lot of people got. Warm and cozy and summer camp. I do have, I've got the Cabin Something 12x12 kit, scrapbook kit, for which is a very similar mountainy, outdoorsy kind of collection. I don't want to say it's masculine, but it definitely works well for masculine cards. Same thing with summer camp. It's just that outdoorsy, could be masculine, could be for anybody. I got chipboard stickers for Flower Market. Actually, is it Flower Market? Yeah. Massive fan of this collection. Massive fan of this collection. I have liked all of the Flower Market Cartabella collections. I actually use far more Cartabella than Echo Park stuff. I got puffy stickers and chipboard accents for the Dive into Summer collections. Once again, I have some scrapbooking I really need to get done, and some cards that these will go perfect with. They coordinate perfectly. This is the one item I definitely would not have purchased myself. And this is the Animal Safari. You can kind of see what is in here. As I do not have children, I don't really have a whole lot of cause for these kinds of collections that are, to me, if you were going to scrapbook these collections, they would definitely be more like your kid family layouts. However, I do have pictures from when we went to Portland, Oregon a couple years ago, including going to the Oregon Zoo. And I kind of need some paper for that. I have seen some cards made out of this collection too, and I love them. They would be perfect for some of the donation things that I plan on doing this year. And these solid papers in there actually would be really good for three-dimensional paper crafting projects that I kind of have in mind to do this year. So I'm not, even though I would have never gone out and bought that, like say if I were at Tuesday morning and saw that, I still wouldn't have bought it, but I'm glad I have it. The mega bundle that I got was Home Again, and it's kind of got this nice low country, Savannah, Georgia, Charleston kind of look to it. Totally up my alley for an aesthetic. And this is the mega bundle. So this has 12 of the 12 by 12 double-sided sheets, 6 12 by 12 double-sided solids, 2 ephemera die cut sheets, and a 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. I do still have some things I need to scrapbook related to moving into this house and moving into the last house. But primarily I'm thinking of this for decoupage, paper crafting, some card making, less scrapbooking. I did get a Dots and Stripes collection. This is 6 12 by 12 sheets in those colors. I am always down to get some extra just solid-y things. I'm sorry my light balance is off. I don't film a whole lot of paper crafting stuff, and this is kind of unusual for my channel to film an unboxing of paper crafting stuff. So the light balance is actually set up for my face, not for showing up a whole bunch of other stuff. So this is the Let's Travel collection. Once again, I'm okay with this. There are quite a few things I can see using this for scrapbooking and for card making. And I also have been meaning to do some journal covering. That's on my list of 2021 goals, crafting goals, and that would work really well. Now, I have the 6x6 paper pad for this collection. I am in love with it. And when I show you the sticker sheet, if you know my aesthetic, you might understand why. I love that vintage retro styling. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I am definitely thinking more notebook covering, composition journal altering kind of stuff with this. We have another piece of the Dive into Summer kit. This has the 12 by 12 papers as well as a sticker sheet. And this will be great for card making. This also will be wonderful for a lot of scrapbooking and things like that. We have Celebrate Spring. And one's perfect for card making, actually. I have used similar Echo Park Lori Whitlock collections for doing spring and Easter cards. I probably will not use this one this year, though, because I do have collections already pulled for Easter spring cards. The final collection we got was Let's Be Mermaids. Once again, it's another collaboration with Lori Whitlock. I really enjoy her aesthetic as far as I like, I've mentioned on here before, I really like Doodlebug and stuff like that. I like the cutesy poo I either like really fancy looking or really adorable stuff. And when I'm doing things where I'm sending things out to families and not just, you know, my friends, I love having the cute things available. So in the, I didn't, and by the way, I did not actually just go through this before I filmed. Like this, we're going through this together. So the 3 just random pieces of cards I got are from Old World Travel. And these are double-sided cardstock. So I will probably actually use this side to build some stuff and maybe use some scraps here as mats for other projects. And it looks like we got 2 sticker sheets. Haha! I'm all right with that. That's a little weird. I do have this collection, though. This is the 2 sticker sheets from the Happy Haunting by Dina Rutter Cartabella. I believe I have this paper pack in my closet, so I'm okay with that. I do like the fact that there are limited alphas down here. I don't use these for cards. I occasionally use these in some of my altered journals, but I do love the stickers, and these stickers are going to be great for card making. I even use these inside my cards to write my little messages and stuff, or I have stamped on them, you know, something cattywampus to look like it was intended to not be used. Yeah. I feel like I got my $50 worth out of this. The only things, like I said, the only thing I wouldn't have ever purchased for myself necessarily was that 12 by 12 paper pad, but 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. These were $10, so that's $40. Just in the kits alone, had I bought these at Tuesday morning, based on their current pricing for these, I would have spent $40 at Tuesday morning, and that doesn't include the 12 by 12 paper pack, the sticker sheets, or the like ephemera-y bits, or the 6. These are like $3.99 each at Tuesday morning, $2.99 or $3.99 depending on which Tuesday morning I go to. So I would say I definitely, even based on like the cheap place I normally just go look at stuff at, definitely got my value in this, and that's excluding the thing I wouldn't have bought myself but actually really have a use for right now. So I'm not mad at all. I'm kind of looking forward to this. This is going to be a lot of fun to work my way through. Hopefully over the next couple months, we'll see some of this turning into projects that I'll share on here. This was an accidental. Didn't know I was going to be filming this today, but this finally showed up on my doorstep. Finally. Shipping took forever. The Echo Park monthly box is supposed to be here. I think it ships on the 21st. And that is a winter collection this month. So that should be coming up here at the end of the month, beginning of February. I will unbox that with you guys, discuss with you guys what I would have paid for it, what I did pay for it, things like that. That will actually be kind of not necessarily like a proper review series, but I have gotten quite a few requests in discussing paper crafting and particularly card making kit reviews, but not as thoroughly as I do my yarn subscription box reviews. So that will be coming up. We will be discussing it. I will do some projects with that and share with you guys, but it won't be like an entire series like I do the yarn subscription boxes. So anyway, you guys take care. I love you, and I will see you guys real soon.